Welcome to Portfolio Development with Mr. Paris. Um, I've been teaching for 23 years, and I'm an Adobe specialist, also a master educator for NFT, and was a teacher runner for 2019-2020. I am a MICA graduate, and also I'm a New World School alumni, class of 1991, I think. Yes, that's correct. And I'm a business owner, and guess what? I love what I do. So, this class is a quick overview. Mr. Paris has been teaching for a while. I'll just give you a quick overview. I have a large family of six right here on the bottom. I travel from the Virgin Islands. Used to play in a band as I was a kid. Travel all through the islands from the Virgin Islands. Brown came to America. Attended New World. Um, got a book here that did on Mr. Paris' life. These are the great moments of time. And worked with Mr. Richard Branson. Got some of my students to go hang out with him in San Francisco. So always looking for opportunities for my students and giving them the opportunity. They just gotta act upon it. So key highlights about the projects that we're gonna work on in class. One of the first things that we do is the Young Arts um, film, Young Arts portfolio, where kids can put together their portfolio. It could be film, it could be visual arts, and they have the opportunity to win $10,000. I think that's a pretty good opportunity. Just putting together your work. If you're a junior, it'd be great for you to test it out, try it out, see how it goes. You're not obligated to do it in my class, but there's a couple kids who wants to take a stab at this, which is great. Um, we get to put together a website also to make them stand out from the rest. You go to a portfolio day, you need to connect with different individuals. What better way to present it in a website portfolio? So students will get to learn the online tools to create an effective portfolio that documents their journey as an artist. And then this is New World this year. I bring to them NFTE, the National Foundation of Teaching Entrepreneurship, where kids get to put together a business concept in their area. It might be a film business, it might be a graphic business, it might be a way to sell paintings. These are some of the stuff that they're able to do in my class. And they also have the opportunity to win some money along the way. So if they win the classroom competition by presenting their business idea, centered around the arts, they move on to district, they win some money, they get the opportunity to go to a summer program to develop this their concept with professionals. They also get paid over the summer to develop their concept through NFT. And then if they win that, they go to New York to compete for $9,000. Again, I think this is a key opportunity for students to get money while in the class. Um, One of the key things that we also connect is financial literacy. A lot of times, students we play a game called the Market Watch Challenge. Kids will work on this project. They have 100 grand, and by the end of the year, they have to make sure they don't lose the 100 grand. They have to gain, um, walk away with more than 100 grand. So I think this is a great opportunity to get to learn the basics because a lot of times they're artists, but we're creating, but we're not understanding the financial component of how to um, manage your finance, how to sell your work, how to negotiate, stuff like that. So these are key things that I think is going to be a highlight of the project for this year. How does the class structure work? The class structure is based around project based. Students come in, they work on their projects, they're faced with a problem, they investigate, then they learn the foundation from the teacher, they build out the lab, they go out and then they put together their portfolio. Now, every time the kids come to class, we have 3 hours of time. That's a lot of time in class to produce work, to produce the website, take photos of their work, to document, work on particular pieces, look at competitions, and just get ready. It's a lot of time for kids to get situated and produce work in our arts period. So I'm excited, look forward to working with the kids. Again, we're going to be creating a lot of projects. One of the key things is the 8 domains that I push in the class of these key factors. Students have to be able to take ownership of their learning. initiative and self-reliance. You have to be flexible and adaptable, good communicators and collaborate with others, creativity, innovation, future orientation, creativity, critical thinking and problem solving, opportunity recognition, and comfort with risk. I think these are key elements that any individual should possess throughout their journey as an artist. Classroom rules, portfolio development. This is centered around using various medium, using the website to build out the portfolio, using Adobe to edit their photos, taking pictures of their elements, using a digital language to produce a body of work, being able to present their work, um, and also putting together a business plan that is centered around their passion, things that they love to do. Expectation is pretty simple, professional. Come on in, work on your project, use the tools, equipment, no eating in the lab. Avoid procrastination because procrastination is a thief of dreams. So, very important, avoid procrastination. Clean up your workspace. And again, let's have fun. Communication and assignments. This is how we communicate. My students connect with Google Classroom. All assignments are on there. Schoology is another way I communicate. GroupMe. I put together a GroupMe link for parents. Just scan the QR code and you can join my GroupMe account if you have quick questions and anything we need to hash out. Here's my email, contact number, my social media handlers, and the website. Again, before I head out, I would like to just share with you a sample website one of the kids worked on. Here it is, perfect. So we're in week 3 of school, and this is where we at. This young lady has a portfolio. Um, you can see some of her samples. She's organizing her work. 2020. These are live links that take you to the work. So now we stepping our game up. We're looking at art as now. Okay, now it's not just creating art. It's how can I market myself? How can I brand myself? How can I take my talent and make something out of it? So again, we're working our artist statement. They're creating their Instagram, their bios. Very effective way to get the word out. And I want to thank you again for allowing me to work with your child this year and look forward to making it a great one. Thank you.